Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download the Logitech G software. So the Logitech G software is generally used to tune your keyboard, mouse, and any accessories that you've bought from Logitech to their full capabilities, and alongside that change their lighting modes, which are with RGB. To do this, what we're going to do is open up our Google Chrome browser. Once it is opened up, what we simply want to do is write Logitech G software, spelled just like this. Press on enter. And from there, this should be it. For me, it's going to be in Turkish because I am a resident in Turkey. But let me change it for you guys so you can understand better. So let's simply do Canada. From there, what we simply want to do is get out of this ad, and we are going to press on Meet Fits. Sorry, not these. Excuse me. So we're going to come over here, and there are multiple things about them. What we simply want to do is press on this start menu, and we should find the Logitech G application, G Hub, as you can see right here. From there, you want to press on download for Windows, and once it is downloaded, we can open it right up. So personally, I have this downloaded, so I've canceled it. But once you do follow through the download process, all you simply have to do is open up the G Hub, and it could take as long as 10 seconds to load up, depending on your software. It has this nice animation as it loads up for you to use. So as you can see, once you're loaded up, you should be muted with your basically the accessories you use. For me, it's a G403 Lightspeed. So as you can see, it doesn't have much battery, around 1 hour remaining, but that's more than enough for me. So once you press on it, you can simply add commands such as macros, which are cheating in professional games. But alongside that, what we're gonna head to is the sensitivity DPI. Here we can change the DPI. For me, I've set it so that it's set to 800 DPI only, because I tend to accidentally press the DPI button during gaming. However, the best part about this is the light sync. You can change the way it works. So this is the primary, which is up here, and then we have logo down here. So you can do, for example, fixed, add a color. I think this blue is actually nice. And then we can go to logo, and we can do fixed, add another color. Now we have a blue and red mouse. Actually, this looks really nice. I like it. Just like that. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to have a like on so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.